Fancy. See, look, he is asleep. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, he's breathing. Hey guys, so I'm so sorry that I haven't filmed in a little while, because I normally do it every single day, but I just haven't really had anything really to do, so I'm filming again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.